Welcome friends, welcome to online learning box, and I'm Karthik. This is another video tutorial, and here we are understanding about the body proportions. So let's start without wasting any time, because time is very important. So here our discussions about body proportions. So please let me write down this heading. uh, so it's body proportions. So now let's start. Here you can clearly understand this is a very basic drawing. About, you can see there is a simple circle I'm drawing here, so you can carry on with me. And this is half circle, remember this is half circle. So 1 2, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, and this is 7, and this is half. So total 8, 7 and half. So this one and this one. So another things, this body circles is very interesting. So let me draw this type of angle. So from here, this is a portions. I want to emphasize here, this is red color, with red color, this is very important. And overlapping circle, and this circle will be the black one. And gradually you can understand what I'm trying to do here. So, and this is half, and this is important for your fit, mechanism of fit or making fit. So this is the further process. So I'm assigning it a little bit. So here I'm just increasing my output size, and now, and these portions here I'm just using another color for clearly visibility. Okay, so this portions is very important. Now just watch and you can clearly understand what is going on. Okay, this is for the food purpose. And here draw a line, one line, two line, and this is the last one. Okay, and now for the same thing I'm doing here, red color, and this one and this one. Now, sorry, it's not necessary. Here for making the shoulder portions, you can clearly understand the shoulder portion. This is shoulder portion. Now changing the opacity, and here, okay, now from this portion, this portions, this cut area, and this is the 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and so here we need to draw another circle, so it can be clearly understand this is a shoulder portion, the shoulder portion. So I'm gradually taking it here and removing the extra part. This is not necessary. Remove this one and remove this one. Okay, now with the help of red color, and draw a cross sections. This is cross sections, and now a little bit of another color. So this is actually the shoulder area, and this is the chest area, and this one. Gradually you can develop this thing, and you can understand this is very interesting, and figure drawing is very easy. So making anything easy is work of teacher. So you can find anything in today's point of view, but understanding or make understand is the teacher point of view. So if you understand it clearly, you can give me a like button. So this is a chest portions and this is half circle. Okay, so this is very important, so I'm using a deeper one ink so it can be clearly understand. Okay, so this is our main thing. This is a half circle. So because this is a shoulder portion, so go to this thing, sorry, go to this thing, go to this thing, this one. Okay, so this is shoulder, you can understand. And now with the help of this eyedropper tool, now carry on this process for the lower part. Yes, okay, this one. So there's an ending for the foot, making foot. This one and this one. Okay, so another part we're going to discuss here. So this one, this circle, and this half circle is a very important. Circle, and half circle. So here it is, changing this opacity. It's a darker one, and for the making of hand, because gestures drawing will be clear to you if you understand this, or if you understand this thing, gestures drawing will be clearly understand by you. So please carefully understand this. Okay, this half circle, and now and the final portion we are getting here. This final portions is very important. So let's do this final portions. Final portions is like this. So before doing this, we need to do one thing. So creating some circles, half circles, circles. So here 2 circles is clear and 1 half circle for making the shoulder portion. Then from this side you need to draw one circle, 2, 3, 4, 5 and half. So here is 1 and 2. So total 8 circles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 circle, 7 and half. So then take a red color, so okay, so this is a point here, the solder ending of solder. Okay, now you can clearly understand how to draw figure drawing. It's very easy to you, and no one can tell this is very hard. This is very easy. After watching this video tutorial, please share and like. This is, if you think this is very helpful. So this portion, so what is now jot down and summarize our learning here. So learning is that this circle, actually this circle, just this circle is half. Okay, now from here, one circle, two circle, three circle, four circle, five circle, six circles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Here is a half circle, and here is a half circle. So each is denoting half. Okay, so it is clearly understand making solder. For making solder, 1, 2 and half circle you need, and underneath of the half circle we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and half circles. Top of this half circle is one circle. It's very important. Okay, and here it is the circle and another strokes. So I'm going to change this color here. This for making head, and this is chest portion. This is chest portion. So another color, I'm taking another color. This is chest portion, this is chest portion. Okay, thank you very much for watching. And just before going, I'm just taking it clearly. Thank you very much for watching. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye. And if you think this video is very helpful, please give me a like button. That will be give me inspirations. Thank you very much.